Finding brands and distributors for Amazon Wholesale FBA involves a series of strategic steps to ensure you source quality products at competitive prices. Here's a concise guide. Research and identify niche. Choose a niche or product category with strong demand and manageable competition on Amazon. Use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to analyze market trends and identify profitable products. Search for brands and manufacturers. Use online directories like Thomasnet, Makers Row, or Alibaba to find manufacturers and brands. Attend trade shows such as ASD Market Week, Magic, or local industry-specific trade shows to network with potential suppliers. Contact wholesalers and distributors. Reach out directly to manufacturers via email or phone, expressing your interest in becoming a reseller. Use wholesale directories like Wholesale Central or SaleWho to find reputable distributors. Verify legitimacy. Check for reviews, testimonials, and ratings to ensure the wholesaler or distributor is credible. Request samples to assess product quality before making large purchases. Negotiate terms. Discuss minimum order quantities, pricing, payment terms, and shipping arrangements with the supplier. Build a relationship with the supplier to potentially negotiate better terms over time. Set up an Amazon seller account. Ensure your Amazon Seller Central account is set up for Wholesale FBA, including any necessary tax documentation and business licenses. List and manage inventory. Once you receive your products, list them on Amazon with accurate descriptions and competitive pricing. Use inventory management tools to keep track of stock levels and reorder as necessary.